Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. We're looking at habits of a successful beginner band musician. This is page 28. We are dealing with crescendos and decrescendos, lip slurs, and watch your key signatures because they switch around quite a bit on this page. All right, and Snowflakes, 129. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.